Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all okay. To everyone out there who watches and supports this channel, thank you so much. I do appreciate you all. Right folks, this is another one from Aldi. And this is from Ashfield. It's ready to cook chili cheese and pork meatballs. Cheesy, savoury meatballs with a chili kick. Now, I've done them in the oven for 25 minutes as is suggested. And your ingredients are 77% pork, 7% cheddar cheese, water, rice flour, gram flour, sugar, corn flour, jalapeno chili 2.5%, chives, salt, dextrose, ground nutmeg, ground white pepper, onion powder, rubbed sage, stabiliser, triphosphates, ground coriander, preservatives, sodium metabisulfite, and your allergy warnings are for milk and metabisulfite. 360 grams. These were £2.49 and the nutritional information is there should you wish to stop the video and take a look. Right folks, I shall show you what they look like. Not that you need to know what meatballs look like, but there, for the thumbnail. They do smell very nice, I've got to say, but I say that about everything, don't I? Right folks, down to the taste. Down to the taste test. And just chop one in half there. And that's what they look like folks, just like a meatball. But these are chili and cheese. You can see the cheese in there maybe, and you can see little flecks of jalapeno. And in true pepperoni style, look at that. Can anyone see that little face there? Is it a pug? Looks like a pug to me. There it is again folks. And, or is it a seal? Could be a seal. Right folks, here we go. The pork is cooked perfectly. Very succulent. Very, very nice to eat. You can taste the cheese coming through. And you get 12 meatballs here. The taste of the chili there. Jalapeno has got such a lovely flavour. It really does have a nice flavour. There's definitely heat there. There's definitely the cheese, the pork, succulent, tasty, no nasty bits in. I've been very, very impressed by Aldi and all their pork products. They're superb. They're so juicy and tasty. As I say, you can actually taste the pork, you can taste the cheese, and you can taste the jalapeno. I think these will be ideal in a pasta dish with arrabbiata sauce, noodles, rice, anything. On their own, they're absolutely amazing. And the reason that I review them on their own is because I'm reviewing the product, not what it could come with. But yeah, definitely rice, definitely noodles, definitely pasta. They're absolutely brilliant. I am enjoying every delicious mouthful of this. The heat from the chilli is growing nicely, but it's nothing overpowering. Just a slight tickle here in the throat. They're so meaty, they're so filling, absolutely perfect. I would definitely buy these again, without a shadow of a doubt. These are superb. Well done to Ashfield and well done to Aldi. I can recommend them to you if you like cheese, if you like pork, with a nice chilli hit. It's nothing overpowering, nothing to make you worried. It's just a nice gentle bite that you can feel here, as I said. Score wise, another, it's got to be 10 out of 10. Absolutely loving them. And on that note, folks, I'll leave it there. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just come and join us. Won't cost you a penny. I don't ask for anything. I don't get paid to do this. It's all for fun. So please, come along and give me some support. Thank you again everyone for being here. And as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have a brilliant Thursday everyone. Bye for now.